This may sound unbelievable, but damn it, it's real. There are rich and kind-hearted people out there who want to support you financially with no strings attached. Yes, they want to give you free money to execute your personal project. Whether it is starting a business, you have a business idea, but you don't have the finances, or medical needs, student loans, living expenses, paying your rent, or even going on vacations. So the summer is here, you want to travel to Maldives, you want to go to Italy, you want to travel to Dubai, but you don't have enough money to do that. There are nice people out there who are willing to donate, to gift you free money to support your vacation. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you not one, two, or three, but 5 forums where you are going to get free money from rich and kind-hearted people. The 5th website on this list will amaze you. Look at this. On this website, you get people fund your vacation. You have a business idea you want to launch, but you've been holding it off because you don't have money to get started, or you're an artist, you have this album you want to release, but you don't have money, or maybe you're a writer, you have a book you want to publish, but you don't have money to get it done. Well, you are in luck today, because on this platform, you're going to see donors going to gift you free money. Look at this. Can you see how much people are raising from these platforms? In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to get started listing your project on these platforms and various ways you can get these sponsors. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if you're looking for videos on how to make money from the comfort of your home, you're onto the right channel, you are watching the right video. In today's video, I have something amazing for you. It is time to get free money from rich people. If you find this video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. So this is the first place where you get rich people send you money for your project. There are lots of people here who are getting funding for their projects in different categories. So if you look at this, you see a whole lot of them. But this one is camera gear, and this person has raised $170,000 for this project. This is tech and innovation, who has raised $333,000. This is free money. In case you are saying, oh, they are all tech related, I am not a tech person, I might not get funding here. Look at this. This is writing and publishing. So this is an author and he has raised $19,000 for this project. Now this is yet another one and very interesting to me because it's human rights related project. So this group of guys here are asking donors to donate money and they've been able to raise $2,000 for this project. What do you need help with? This is where you are going to get rich people generously gift you money. The name of this website is called Indiegogo, and as usual, I will drop the links to those websites in the description box. Next question is, how do I get started? Well, all you do is scroll down to the bottom of this website. So you're going to click on this button that says sign up, and it brings up this form for you to fill your basic details. Then you're ready to go. Go on and start listing the projects you need help with. Here is the second forum where you get funding. Now on this platform, like the first one, you get funding for projects you are working on. In a way, looks like this is charity related. You can see how much people are raising from this platform. Look at this. This one is earthquake that happened in Turkey, and people have raised $172,000 for this. You can see a whole lot of them, $4,000, $25,000 for different projects. Like I said, a lot of rich people out there would really want to help, and there's no better way to find those people than platforms like this. So what's that thing you need help with? You have a great business idea but no funding. You're having issues with house rent. You want to relocate. Just come over here and list it and get funding. We pay what you raise into your personal bank account. So there is no hidden charges. So look at various categories where people get funding. Animal and pets, disabilities, arts and culture, local community, education, sports, international aid, whatever the course is. there are a lot of people who are willing to sponsor you, support you, gift you free money. How do you start fundraising? You click on this button that says start fundraising. Once it's open, you go on to answer the basic question. This doesn't even require you create a personal account with them. It's just a straightforward platform. The name of this platform is JustGiving, and the link is in the description. Here is the third platform, and it says powerful personal fundraising, and I absolutely love this because they have a lot of positive reviews on Trustpilot. Look at this. That's to show you that people are really raising money here, and it is legit. It's easy, it's trusted, no donor fee, so you don't get to pay any fee once the money is raised. Whatever amount of money you raised will be sent to you. Look at successful stories here. This person raised £4,000 with only 87 donors, $11,000. The list continues, and these guys are from different countries, so anyone can actually get the help you need here. Here are various categories: funeral and tribute, education and learning, medical healing, family, animals and pet, creative, sports, wedding and honeymoon. So yes, people can actually fund your wedding and honeymoon. So what else are you waiting for? The name of this platform is Go Get Funding. The link is in the description of the video. That brings us to the fourth platform where you can raise money. Now this one is a little different in the sense that you have to offer something in return. So this one is exclusively for entrepreneurs, creative people who have something to offer. So if you have a business idea and you need funding to get started, you offer a product or service that serves humanity, this is the right place where you get to meet both donors and investors. On this platform, you offer something in exchange. So people get to pre-order your product or your service while they give you the money you need to get started. I absolutely love this for creatives. As you can see, startup fundraising platform. Start and manage a professional fundraise to attract investors. Yes, so over here you really have to offer something in exchange for the money you get. More like people pre-ordering your product or investing in the business. They've been in existence for over a decade and been able to raise $570 million for smart people like you and I. Over 20,000 accredited investors have sent money to small business owners to help them grow their business. So I absolutely love this. To me, this is more like a free money too, because whoever that is funding this project would give you the money. You use it to go and accomplish the project, set up the business. You offer them that product or service in return for the money they gifted you some time ago. It is just a solution to what our world needs. That business idea you have should not die, because there are lots of amazing people out there who are ready to donate money, who are ready to pre-order your product or service to help you kickstart, and then you pick up. How do you get started? You need to come over here, click on this button that says learn more, so you get basic details you need to kickstart the fundraising project. And that brings us to the fifth website where you are going to get people to fund your vacation. This is absolutely amazing. Here are various projects. What it means is that people are actually getting funded to travel. Donations are automatically sent to your account. So as people are donating, the money is sent straight to your bank account. To join them and start raising funds for your travel, you need to come over here and click on this button and get people fund you to go on your dream vacation. I hope this helps. Now, that's not all. There are 6 more websites like this where you are going to get free funding for yourself. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be interested in knowing more. So I'll make part 2 of this video showing you even more interesting platforms where you are going to get free money from rich people. I hope you got value from this. Do well to share this video with your family and friends. There's someone who needs to watch this video to raise funding for their dream project or vacation. So share it on your Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok to help more people see this and also help the video go viral. See you in my next video. Bye.